Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Ria's Kitchen. Today I am sharing the mouth-watering recipe of Bengali Patisapta. For regular updates, please subscribe my channel. You can also join me on my Facebook group Khai Khai. Don't forget to like and share my videos. In few simple and easy steps, you can make this delicious item at your home. Firstly, heat a pan. Add grated coconut and add jaggery. Saute it until it becomes dry. Turn off the oven. The filling is now ready. Give this type of shape. For making patisapta, we need 2 cups of milk, 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, pinch of baking soda, 1 cup of suji, 1 cup of soybean oil, and a brinjal. Cut it this way, or you can use brush. Make a smooth paste with all the ingredients mentioned earlier except oil. Now heat a non-stick pan. Take the brinjal and dip it into the oil and spread the oil over the pan, or you can use brush. Take 1 large spoon of batter and spread it this way. Add the coconut filling and wrap it this way. The Bengali Patisapta is now ready to serve. You can store it up to 6 to 7 days. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel Ria's Kitchen. It's R-I-I and A. And don't forget to give your valuable suggestions in the comment section.